Hey, welcome back to Digital Ivy. I'm Ivy. If you've ever tried making an AI video where your character's face keeps changing every single shot, I found the exact combo that fixes that. Today we're pairing Seedance 2.0 with Higgsfield Soul ID, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to keep one consistent character across every single scene you generate. First, Seedance 2.0. This is currently one of the top-ranked AI video models out there. It handles motion, lighting, and camera movement in a way that feels genuinely cinematic, not robotic. The catch? Even the best video model in the world will give you a different-looking character every time you generate a new scene, unless you lock that character down first. That's where Higgsfield comes in. Inside Higgsfield, there's a feature called Soul ID. You train it on a handful of reference images of your character, and from that point forward, every single generation pulls from that same locked identity. Same face, same vibe, every scene, every shot. No more random face-swapping AI characters. So here's the workflow. Build your character reference sheet, lock it into a Soul ID inside Higgsfield, then send that locked character straight into Seedance 2.0 for your actual video generation. That's it. Consistent characters, cinematic motion, zero guesswork. If this helped, subscribe for more AI tutorials every week. See you in the next one.